How to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you buy Bitcoin on PayPal. So all you need to do is first thing first, log into your PayPal account or maybe visit the PayPal website itself. And then what you need is on the dashboard, you just need to click on the finances or crypto options to find it options. Now here you could tap on the menu bar and you could go to the finances section. You'll be able to find it somewhere here. And when you locate the finances section, you simply want to go ahead and click on the crypto, and from the list of available cryptocurrency, you need to click on the Bitcoin. Then you have to select the exact amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy with options to buy it specific or custom account, and select the payment method, after which review and confirm and complete the purchase. And this way you'll be able to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.